Are you tired of struggling to make money online or wasting time on strategies that don't ever seem to work? What if I told you that there's a simple, budget-friendly system that can finally help you build a real work-from-home business? Hi, my name's Carol, and today I'm going to show you how my $10 sales funnel has been a turning point for me and my online journey, and how it helps me generate leads, grow my business, and make consistent income right here from my home. Let me bring this down and show you that it's generating leads. That's 15 leads. That is the autoresponder. That's 39 leads right there. And then these are the income, as you can see. This little budget-friendly funnel, $10 funnel, has multiple streams of income in it. Okay, and the majority of the streams of income are traffic, because we need traffic. Okay, now the truth is most people fail online not because the business doesn't work, but because they don't have a system that works for their business. That's where my $10 funnel comes in. It captures leads, it explains the business for you step by step. It follows up with prospects so you never miss an opportunity. This means you don't have to spend all day chasing people or stressed out what to say. The system does the selling and telling for you 24/7. Having this funnel has given me more freedom and time to focus on what really matters. It's time with my family, my faith, the things that I love to do. And that's exactly what I want for you too. So if you're ready to finally build an online business that works for you, instead of you working all the time for your business, check out the link below. Plug into my $10 funnel and see how it can start working for you today. God bless and take care.